I was surfing on my Instagram and I received a message from a friend. There was an obstacle and zipline course at a location not too far away called Skull Canyon. I booked tickets while we're at breakfast and I told the boys, box up the food. We're about to hit the road. I got all the kids rushing, eating their food in the car because we're going to do something super cool.
That's the most accurate bone structure of a dog.
That's snowy right there.
Logan, you excited?
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
It looks so nice. Peace out, peace out. Hey, you're set to go.
All right.
Well, as all great things must come to an end, this is truly only the beginning of our adventures together. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, and share some dope places I should check out in the comments. Send it to your friends, share it with your mother, and I